So I've made it to my new home here in Gulfport, Mississippi. And in this new home, I have found a place where I'll be spending a lot of my time. And that is the Model Train Museum. Hey.
How you doing?
Pretty good. I'm making a video for my YouTube channel.
Hey guys.
There's the gift shop. Here is the first enormous Lego exhibit. And see the cool Lego trains. I used to play with these too. Never filmed any videos with them though. But you can turn them on. Following the arrows, there are multiple buildings here filled with model trains. We're just gonna not look at this section real quick. There's a little Thomas area for the kids. Cool little train they got here. And a little Jurassic Park section. Got a little amusement park section. Well, let's go back to that part I hid before, because that is even cooler. There is about to be a new Connects area here. So they had some old Connect sets that I finished and refurbished. There's the original Connects coaster. But in addition to that, I am building a new coaster right here. So it's going to be a full little functional amusement park here. So, as you can see by my shirt, I now work here as a volunteer. And so this is the first time people will be able to come see me build in public. And once it's all done, you'll be able to see this whole thing run whenever the museum is open. So I'm really looking forward to finally being able to display this stuff in a place where kids and anybody who wants to can come see. So look forward to seeing you all soon.